people to pack a shoebox with Christmas gifts for underprivileged children.
Is that your elephant?
Since the program began in 1996, 61 million shoebox gifts have been delivered to
Let it play.
48 countries. Canada is one of 11 nations that takes part.
You like your elephant Grandma got you.
The team was facing several charges after a toddler was badly injured in a drive-by shooting.
Yay, elephants! Where's your elephant? Oh, sleepy elephant. Oh, you got your ball? What's that? Is that a ball? Is that kitty? Can you say kitty? Yeah, that's kitty, Rian. Can you say kitty? Where's kitty?
Papa.
That's puppy, that's right. Is that puppy? Oh. Okay, we say bye now.